Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by installing VPN Unlimited and signing in. This authenticates the proxy feature. Once done, grant network and location permissions so the app can route traffic. Make sure you choose the device profile, desktop or mobile, because settings differ. Now open the app and locate the proxy or advanced section. That is where you will enable the proxy mode first. This step links your account to proxy endpoints, so subsequent connections are seamless and authenticated. You now configure the proxy specifics. First, enable proxy mode and pick SOCKS 5 if you need UDP support or HTTP for simple web traffic. That explains why choice matters. Next, select a server country and endpoint to balance speed and access. Closer servers lower latency. Then set a local port, for example 1080, and optionally add proxy username and password supplied by the app. Once configured, the app shows an active proxy address you'll use in apps or system. You finish by applying the proxy address, typically 127.0.0.1 in your chosen port into the app or system network field, then connect. Once connected, verify your IP and test the service to ensure the proxy routes traffic as expected. If something fails, restart VPN Unlimited, switch to a different server endpoint, or change the local port. Authentication errors often require re-entering credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: conflict with other proxy or VPN clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.